Assalamu alaikum dears. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Okay. I am Nazia ma'am. Today we are going to see one more poem, that is LG written in the country churchyard. So I have already given you the poet introduction and then about the poem in my last video. Okay. You take your poetry lines with you and start listening. Okay dears. LG written in the country churchyard. See, look at this picture. What is churchyard? What is country churchyard? See, a graveyard. Okay, with this picture you able to find out what is country churchyard. Okay, graveyard where people were used to buried after their death. LG written in the, now the explanation. LG written in the country churchyard. There are 128 lines. So the 128 lines is a whole 128 lines is an LG. I have already told you what is LG. LG means a sadness, sad poem. Here the poet describes about the atmosphere of the evening. So what is the atmosphere of that evening? The poet was standing in the churchyard. It was a sun-setting time. So when the sun sets, it was about to evening. It was about evening time. Okay, dears. So now the church bell rings at the end of the day to indicate that the day ends. So this is a normal thing that whenever you come to college, the college bell rings. Thus you may able to guess that the period is going to start now. When the bell ends at the particular time, that is at 2:30, definitely you know that this is the ending time. The same thing here is the church bell rings at the end of the day, indicating that now the day ends. Poet here uses a metaphor as nil, which shows that the end of the day, that the day was ending now. Next slide. Even the poet included the farmers, cattle, herd of cows who are returning back to their home. See, you may have noted many times that there are farmers and the farmers and the people who are having the cattle, the herd of cows. மாட்டெல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டுட்டு போவாங்க இல்லையாப்பா. From the morning they started from the morning, and when the day ends they bring all the cows, the sheep, the cattle to their home back. Okay, back to their home. Poet now feels what the poet feels here. So this is the surrounding what the poem says about. So this is the surrounding area of the poem where the poet standing and looking after all the surroundings and how he feels now. So all the things, all the day ends, even the farmers are returning, even all the people who are going for the work, they are returning back to their home now. So now what the poet feels here, the poet feels that he is alone in the place and only the darkness is left to him. So basically when we stand in a particular area which is unknown to us, from in the beginning we find many people moving here and there, but but at a particular time everybody went off and we feel alone at that particular time. So the same thing, poet feels that he is alone in the place and the darkness only and only the darkness is there. Okay, thus the poet reveals his loneliness, that without his friend the world looks dark to him. As I have already told you, the poet written in a form of LG in the remembrance of a poet friend Robert West. Poet talks about the graveyard. As I have told you, graveyard where the people were buried after their death. Poet talks about the graveyard where he found elm and eve trees. They are name of the trees. He found many trees there. So under the trees Many forefathers have been buried forever as they are rude in their nature. See, whatever the person is, if they are rude, if they are not rude, if they have some kind heart, all will have to buried in the same place. And you people have seen many graveyards that in the graveyards, after the burial, after many years, definitely many plants were grown up. அங்கே செடியெல்லாம் வந்துடும் இல்லைப்பா. செத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா அந்த சுடுகாடில் வந்து அந்த பிளேஸில், பர்டிகுலர் பிளேஸில் மெனி பிளான்ட்ஸ் வேர் ஸ்டார்டட் க்ரோயிங். அங்கே வந்து ரொம்ப செடியெல்லாம் வந்துடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Here, poet clarifies that the forefathers are sleeping for a long time. They never wake up even the nature sounds. Definitely. So, if a person dies, there is no life in the world. They went to the heaven or hell based upon their habits. So now the poet clarifies that the forefathers are buried in the place. The many trees have been grown up there. The name of the trees is elm and yew trees. But they are far away from the nature. Even if the nature sounds, even the bell rings, even the birds cry, even the farmers, everybody is moving, coming across, they won't able to hear anything. Okay. Poet here clarifies that the forefathers, they are sleeping in the graveyard for a long time. Definitely they won't wake up even the nature sounds for them. Finally, poet says that the dead cannot wake up. So the dead cannot wake up. See, when he comes to know that he already says that the forefathers are lying, they are sleeping for a long time in the graveyard. Definitely, poet finally concludes here that the dead, the person who is dead, they cannot wake up. Okay. Poet also added that don't mock at the dead farmers. Okay. Farmers are the poor guys. Please don't mock at them. Don't kick them. As they are poor, they are died. They are free from their life. They went off. But even though you don't mock at them. See, it is a habit of a person that they will mock them. They mock them, showing their angriness. That person was like that. That person was like this. And finally he or she died. And they went off அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையப்பா. அவங்களுக்கு அவங்க செத்த பிறகு அவங்க பற்றி பேசக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா. He says that even they lived a life of simplicity, uneventful, they are humble towards people. They are humble towards many people. They say they are simple. They don't have any happiness in their life. They don't face any events. So even though they lived a life of simplicity, they are humble towards many people. So don't compare poor and rich peoples, as even the rich peoples are buried in the same place where the poor peoples are in the graveyard. Now the poet turns his attention towards the farmers and the villagers. He says that one should avoid mocking the poor peoples. They don't have any rights to mock the poor peoples. Poet reveals the truth about the death, that the death is waiting for all. Definitely, death is a truthful thing. That is a truth. When it comes to us, we have to face it. Okay. Death never care about the status of the person, whether the person is rich, whether the person is poor, whether the person has a rich family background, whether the person has relations or else no relations. Death never care about those relations and all. Now the poet expresses his views that even the person is ambitious, even the person is rich, the death never cares about those persons. Death never cares about those persons. No care about those persons. Next, the poet addresses the poor peoples by questioning that whether the rich people made statues, monuments, honoring with their voice, they won't be back to life. So here the poet says that even the poor people question the rich peoples, that is, you are having a rich status, you are having a rich background, you are honored by many peoples. Even the rich people dies, they don't have any status, they have only one status, that is graveyard. Okay, as the poor are buried in the graveyard, the rich peoples are also buried in the same graveyard. Hence he says that nobody can come back from the death. Okay. In the coming lines, the poet reveals his assumption, that is, guessing that if a chance has been given to the poor people, to the dead person who was dead, he might become a great king, great musician, great poet like Will Milton, revolutionary like Hamden. So, in this line, what the poet wants to say is that he guessed that the person died. The poet don't know who's the person is, who's the person, he may be rich or poor, whatever, but what he guesses means he died of he died without the age, that is, ஏஜ் இல்லாத செத்து போவாங்க இல்லையா, ஒரு ஏஜ் லிமிட் இல்லாத அவங்க செத்துட்டாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ in a very low age, if a person is died, definitely if a life has given a chance to them, if the person is live, definitely he became a great king. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு கிரேட் கிங்காக மாறிக்கலாம். அண்ட் ஒன் கிரேட் மியூசிஷியன், கிரேட் போய்ட் லைக் ஹாமில்டன், ரெவல்யூஷனர் லைக் ஹாம்டன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. But everything becomes hopeless as they end their life with this incomplete ambition, and definitely they feel very sorry for their short lifespan. As their life is very short, they lost their hope and they end their life, and their ambition, their aim, their goal ways were incomplete in their life. Poet find out the reason for their untimed death. Poet finds out the reason for their untimed death. He says it is because of poverty they unable to come up in life. Definitely if they don't have the source of income, if they don't have the sufficient food, they won't survive in the life. Okay, so because of the poverty they are unable to receive name and fame, even they are prevented from committing crimes. So the first thing here is because of poverty they are unable to receive name and fame. They are unable to receive name and fame in that sense they couldn't be able to familiar themselves, they cannot come popular in their life. Okay, so the good thing here is they prevented from committing crimes. They prevented from committing crimes as they are innocent, they don't know what is crime, they have mercy in their heart. So as they don't have time to act mercilessly also, and they didn't involve in evil deeds. இது என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, நம்ம வந்து கெட்டது கூட அவங்கனால பண்ண முடியாது, ஏன்னா they don't have time to act mercilessly, to show their anger, and finally they didn't involve in any kind of evil deeds, and they are prevented from the committing any crimes. Poet suggested that a poor need a little bit honor as their graves are not decorated as the rich people's graves. So what poet wants to say here is, definitely if the person who died, where if he or she is rich, means definitely they have lots and lots of decorated things in their graveyard. They used to dig some kind of marks, they used to write some kind of writings, and with they honor them daily with the flowers and everything, no? So the same thing what poet need means the same status may be given to the poor people also, as they can also be remembered as the rich people members, because the rich people their loved ones remember only the rich peoples, but the poor peoples will be forgotten by their relations and their loved ones. Poet imagines his death, that one day he will also die, and an old man may visit his graveyard when he passes from the street, as the poet passes now and remember all the people's stories. So now what here means, see, the poet was standing in the country churchyard and remembering all those dead persons. இப்படி இவங்க இருந்தால் இப்படி ஆயிருப்பாங்க, இப்படி அவங்க இருந்தால் இப்படி பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. See, அவங்க வந்து he is thinking that he imagining that if the person is not dead, if they have given chance, they may be musician, they may be Milton. They used to say, no, poet used to say the same thing. Now it comes to his part, that poet imagines that definitely he also die one day, and definitely how he is coming across this dead person. One old man may visit his graveyard. இவன் செத்த பிறகு இவங்களுக்கு வந்து விசிட் பண்ணுவாங்க யாராவது ஒரு பர்சன். when he passes from the state, as the poet passes now, how the poet passes now, and remember all the people's stories. Okay, he also imagines that he may remember by the people the funeral songs which was commenced on the death of the poet. அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லை, definitely we used to remember the persons when we go to some kind of funerals. அவங்க வந்து இப்படி க்ரை பண்ணாங்க, இப்படி அவங்க பேசினாங்க, இப்படி பாடினாங்க, அப்படி அழுதுனாங்க. we used to imagine, no, the same thing the poet imagines here, that definitely he also be remembered by some people after his death. Okay. Sorry. Up to this, we saw the first version of the poem. This is the first version where poet reveals all his popular stories, all the stories of the person. The dead person will be like this, this person will be maybe like this if they given chance. Then now the second version, it includes the epitaph. See dears, epitaph is your 2 mark. Okay, epitaph, write it down. Epitaph will be your 2 mark. Here the second version include epitaph, which reveals the fear of poet on dying one day. Okay, definitely we are human, we are fear of death. When we are living happily, one day we will fear of dying also, Nadias. Yes, so the second version include the epitaph, that is where the poet was fear of dying. He used to imagine about that the old man saying about him. He imagines that the old man used to say that he is a Thomas Gray, he was a successful poet, he is a scholar, a person of good qualities. That a old man who passing across his graveyard may used to say like this. Thus Thomas Gray was imagining. Okay, imagining. Understood? Yes, I am repeating here. The second version is the epitaph, where the poet reveals the fear of dying. After he is dead, definitely that old man who is passing across him may remember him, saying that this is showing the graveyard that this is Thomas Gray, a successful poet, a scholar, a person of all the good qualities. Okay, as because of his qualities, God has given him a good friend, that is Richard West. Okay, Richard West. So finally, conclusion. Sorry again. Thus the poet concluded that we are not the right person to point out about the good and bad points of the peoples. God is there to reward us, to give best things for our best deeds in the heaven. It is God's wish that whatever we are getting reward. If we are best, we will be going to heaven. If we are bad, definitely hell is waiting for us. So the same thing, finally the poet concluded that we are not a right person to point out, to pinpoint that the person is good, that the person is bad, that the person is poor, that the person is rich. Okay, I think you understood, and thank you for paying your attention, dears. Stay blessed. Have a nice day. Thank you.